So my dog is scared of this little guy and he lights up. So I'm going to call him over and see how he reacts because I hid him underneath this bench that's by the door. Come here. Come here. Come here. Dillinger, come. It's gone. Look, it's gone. Come here. I got the phone. I'm going to take your picture. Come on, let's take a picture. He thinks it's here. He's a freaking smart dog. Let's see. Come on. Here he comes. Come on. What's the matter? What's wrong? I turned the light off. Oh my God. I'm going to see if the dog is going to come to the door. Come here. Come here. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Come on. What's going on? This is what's wrong. He lights up. Are you scared? Are you scared of this little guy? He's probably not going to come. I'm going to turn off the lights. What's wrong? What? What's the matter? Who is it? Is that what you're scared of? Huh? Oh, you must be bad. Bad boys get scared.